Are we live?
Yep.
Action. Anyway, hey, another weekend, 420 weekend. We're out here working on the car again, but today is the day this body is coming off of the frame. So, good, bad, or indifferent, we're going to get it up. So, I don't know. Stick with us, man. See what kind of mess, disaster we can actually get ourselves into. This is our current affairs. Doesn't look much different than it has. But I've got those brackets that are on the firewall right there. Those have got to get drilled out so I can use both holes. Hook a chain to that. The back is already set up. I gotta pull the the body bolts out, and then lift this thing up. So, hey, why don't you stick with us, and we'll see what kind of trouble we can get ourselves into. See you in a bit.
Okay, I can't get the other throwing piece out.
Don't worry about it.
All right. Where'd it go?
What? Okay, so they're all out.
Okay, yeah.
So,
Yeah, just top bushings are still in,
oh no, that's fine.
because I couldn't slide them out.
So the body, come on, go ahead. So the body is on the 4x4s right now. It's stable. That's all I care about right now. It's stable. From there, like I said, I never did this before, so I was scared as hell. But it's up. It's up in the air, and that's a good thing. So we'll be back in a minute. Well, it's off the frame. So to say the word sketchy, yeah, kind of felt that way. But it's up. Smile for the camera.
Smile.
And with her help.
Yeah.
So me and her got it up, and we got it stable. So now we can go from there. All right, let's see what else we get done. Here, talk to the camera. Well, here's the frame out from underneath the car. The first good look at it, you can see the outriggers that were there. That's got to get cut off. The original, will you be quiet? These outriggers got to get cut off and ground down. There's a lot of work to do on this frame yet. But as you can see, that's what we got. So a lot of work to make it nice, but it will get there.
Would be now.
Well, here we are. Frame is out. Thanks to the wife. Body is up in the air. And we can start working on this thing. Get things finished. So, yeah, she's nice and tall. So, let's see, kind of tight in here now with everything. But dog's confused, aren't you? Yeah.
Second now.
Yeah. So here we go, guys. Thanks for watching another one.
Feel like
No.
you got something accomplished.
Yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Later.